Oh my god, this is dangerous. Danger, 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 danger. I'm feeling a bit lost. I still feel a bit lost. I don't know if I should be crossing here. Yeah, so it is roughly 2 hours for the 5 kilometer trail. Oh my god, look at my face. Sweating, sweating, sweating. Look at that. Could have had my coffee here. Alright, we are here. We made it, we made it, we made it. Oh, this is the parking. Only 3 cars are here. So it's nice and empty. Alright, they said the trails start this way. Oh my god, there's snakes. I don't like snakes. These are the common snakes. Oh man, 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 man. Bridges! Look at this. There's a wooden bridge here. Tiny. It's fine. I'll take it. These are the trails. There's a green. Taking the red one, which is 2 hours. I'm guessing 5 kilometers. There's also a brown. I'm not sure how yeah, brown is an hour. So I'm guessing green is like 30 minutes. I think this is the picnic area. Yeah, not the best. Oh yeah, so this is the map. Red is the longest, 2 hours. You got yellow, 30 minutes. You got brown, 1 hour, and green, 30 minutes. We going red, baby. We going red. This is so cool. This is a proper forest. Ah, look at that. Going in the jungle. That is so loud. What is that? Whew. So this trail is 8 kilometers from town or central. As you can see behind me, there's I think a cement factory, CPC or something. So you can hear the machines there rumbling. Oh, I see some wild game there. Hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Ran away. So I'm here, and right behind me, that's the red trail, which is fine. That's the one I'm using. But then there's this other off-ramp path here. I don't know if it's a lookout point, because I can hear the river. Let me just go check it out. I found myself here. It does feel like a lookout point, but it's still very much unmarked. I don't know if I'm even allowed here. Oh, this is gonna be awesome! Awesome, awesome. Oh my god, this is dangerous. Danger, 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 danger. Maybe I shouldn't be up here. Ah, yeah, take a look at this. And I'm up here. The guardrails are off. Oh my god. Yeah, it stinks. Alright, let's go back to our trail. Yeah, that was kind of worth it. Sometimes in life, you need to take the unmarked path. That's my wisdom for today. So it's still going. I just want to see what's at the end. Maybe I'll just go back. Because it's not marked. And it just keeps going. And I'm going back. My trail is already long, so I don't want to waste time. Let me just go back to my train. Oh, shit. So I almost stepped on a frog. Ah, man. I don't like frog. I hate frogs. Yeah, I'm sure that's not the last one I'm gonna see. Oh, man. Alright, back on my trail. The rat. Let's go. That was a worthy off-ramp. Well, speaking of frogs, we used to have this pink frog. When I was growing up back in Umlas. And there were rumors. I'm just trying to remember the name. It was called Ngangwa or something. Let me know in the comments if you know that frog. And there were rumors that if that thing jumps on you, I don't know, you need to use like milk to get it off you or some stuff like that. So yeah, that thing can jump kilometers. I'm joking, not kilometers. I can definitely jump. Yeah, so that's my story with frogs. Don't like them. Don't like frogs. Need to take a break soon. Drink some water. And I'm only carrying sparkling water. This is going to be interesting. Never hiked with sparkling water before. I have 1 liter sparkling water and coffee. Yeah, at some point, I'll make a stop, drink some coffee, and just enjoy being out here. Yeah, I need to drink water. Oh my god, look at my face. Sweating. Look at that. I don't even have a towel. Oh my god, this is really bad. Alright, back to water. Maybe I also need to put away this hat. There's no sun, so it's not helping. She's making me hot. I'm feeling a bit lost. A bunch of signs back there that just confused me. I don't know if I'm still on the red trail, but this is not marked. Yeah, I feel a bit lost. I'm gonna go back. Let me just see. Oh god. No, still not marked. And it keeps going. So if you see there, it just keeps going up and up, and I'm still not seeing any markings. So I'm gonna go back and try another way. I don't wanna go up there, only to turn back. This is what confused me. You got this red, and then you have another one here, and I'm coming from that side. Yeah, it looks like I need to go this way. All right, let's go. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this feels more like a path. All right, back on trail. So I bought that saying 2.4 kilometers left, which means we've done 2.6 if this is a 5K. Okay, this is a crossing. All right, let's go. I'm not sure about this. I'm gonna find my next step. Oh my god. All right. I still feel a bit lost. I don't know if I should be crossing here. I don't see. Oh. All right, made it across. Let's see if we can pick up the markings. Well, I can see there's still a trail. And now I just need to see the red marking again. Come on, give me a sign. Oh, it feels like a trail. That's fine. Let's keep going. We're good. Ah, there it is. There it is. Woohoo! Yeah, back on red. Just saw another group of hikers. A second group. Yeah, this trail is very quiet. It's not busy at all. If you are into that sort of thing, yeah, come to this one. Alright, so we're going uphill now. It's not fun. All right. 1.2 kilometers left. It's not bad. Alright, let's go. It's getting difficult. See a bench. Maybe I might sit there. Catch my breath. Yeah, I think I'll take a break here. There's a bench. A nice view. Yeah, I think I'll take a break here. I just saw this thing. I don't know if I want to sit here anymore. If this thing touches my skin, then it's over. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'll just use my hat. Just in case it's in the tree. This is my coffee. So I just checked the time. 8:32. I remember I got here at 6:45. So I've been hiking for maybe 90 minutes. I think to do the remaining 1.2 Ks, it might take me 30 minutes. Yeah, so it is roughly 2 hours for the 5 kilometer trail. All right, all well rested. Let's go. So back to my pink frog. I need to Google the name. I think the trauma was that if it so happens that it jumps on you, because it sticks on you. The rumors, I don't know how true that is. I think the trauma was you need milk, right? Maybe it was warm milk. And growing up, I mean, you didn't just have milk in the house, just chilling. Yeah. And this was in the townships, 19 something, 1992, 1995, you know? So you didn't have milk just chilling in the house. So you'd have to wait for your mom to come back from work. Or if this happens late at night, there's still no milk. Where are you gonna get milk? You know, and this thing is on you and you don't have milk. Yeah, growing up. growing up. Yeah. So I'm walking. Happy walking, happy walking. Then boom. There's this here, and I see a bench there. So I'm guessing this is a lookout point. The markings here are great. The trail markings. But the lookout points, they're just not marked. You just have to figure it out yourself. So now I have to walk down here and just check what's happening. You know, usually other hiking spots, you know, they put a sign, lookout point sign. So you can decide if you want to see or not. Water. Oh, water. What is that? Woo. I don't know what that was. But yeah, it is a lookout point. Ah, man. Could have had my coffee here. You know what? I'll take 5 minutes. Just sit down here and enjoy the view. I see zebras. Let me just try and zoom. He's not great at zooming. So across there, I see 2 zebras, maybe 3. I think it's the same zebras I saw earlier. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit here, enjoy this beautiful view. Oh, there's another bench this side. Another one across. Problems, I don't know how to get to that one. I think I'll just sit here. What is that? Yeah, this is my view for the next 5 minutes. I'm just sitting here thinking about the value for money when it comes to entertainment. I mean, this is pretty entertaining. Not entertaining, haha, but you know, you can spend hours here for only 70 rands. And you compare that to other forms of entertainment these days. You know, you go to the movies. Movies are just expensive these days, so I don't know how much tickets are these days, but it's just expensive, crazy expensive. Maybe 400 rands for a movie ticket, maybe not 400, maybe 300 for a movie ticket, popcorn and soda. Um, you know, I don't know. I don't think there is much that beats hiking in terms of value. I mean, 70 rands is really nothing for some people. Sorry. Yeah, I want to do more of these. Money well spent. Time to go. Yeah, that's the best lookout spot I've seen so far here. It's not even marked. It's not even marked. Zebras at this side. I don't know if they'll let me through. Pretty chilled. Clearly they're not scared of me. Now they know they have the numbers. Thank you, thank you. So I was sitting there. There's a bench there. That's where I was sitting. Now on this side. Thank you, thank you. Sorry. I don't know why they started running. Okay, I'm a big, scary man. Just met a nice couple. They're just walking here, not even hiking, just I asked them what trail they do. Like, no, not doing any trails, just walking. Yeah, they come here all the time. All right, a lot of game this side. I'm so confused. Now, there's this nice bench behind me, and you have all this game here. And I'm thinking, maybe I should have stopped here. Maybe this is where I should have had my coffee. Oh my god. That one is so big. Anyways, I think, I can also just stop here for another 5 minutes and just enjoy the view. Got zebras. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna stop here, but I just need to find parking. I remember I came from this side. Yeah, that was 5 kilometers, 5.2 to be exact. 5.2 kilometers, the red trail. And yeah, lucky for me, I didn't see any snakes. Not that I'm scared of snakes, I just don't like them. Yeah, don't like them. I think parking is this way. Yeah, that was fun. Right, found parking. We are here. Yeah, so that was fun. If you're in Durban and you have 70 rands, yeah, give this one a try. It's really good. I think it's in the top 5 for me. It's a very green, dense, forested stance. So yeah, give it a try. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. You know, there's so much to see, guys. There's so much to see. We need to explore Africa. Yeah. See you on the next video.